Hi everyone, it's Lena from The Mila Design, and this video is for total beginners in crocheting. To start crocheting you will need yarn, crochet hook and of course inspiration. The main secret of your success in crocheting is choosing right yarn and hook. When you're choosing a yarn, look for a category 4 worsted or 5 bulky weight yarn. Better to choose acrylic yarn because it's easier to unravel and reuse. Look for a yarn with a natural or pastel color that is easy for your eyes. My recommendations is to choose light green, light gray or medium brown colors. The next step is to choosing right hook. Go to the yarn shop and take in your hand different hook sizes and just feel which size is the most comfortable for your hand. Usually for beginners the most suitable sizes are 4, 5 or 6 mm hooks. There are two ways of holding a hook. Some people prefer a pencil grip. The hook is held in the right hand and like holding a pencil. Some people prefer using a knife grip. The hook is held in the right hand like a dinner knife ready to cut. Try these both variants and feel which is better for you. Put the yarn on the left hand's index finger like that. Insert a hook under the yarn and twist it clockwise. Hold the yarn with your middle finger, then yarn over and pull it through the loop. Congratulations, you made your first stitch. Repeat it one more time. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Let's make some more chain stitches and we will see what we finally get. Don't be afraid to practice more, and very soon you will see your amazing result. Chain stitch is a basic stitch that is used to create a foundation row or to start a new row. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. See you soon, bye!